Hi everyone, this is Josephine here from Makeup Divas, and today's video is a fashion and style Victoria's Secret's Spring Summer Semi-Annual Sale Haul video. I am so excited to be sharing with you ladies this fashion and style Victoria's Secret's Spring Summer Semi-Annual Sale Haul video. And ladies, this video is all about the items that I picked up from Victoria's Secrets. So before I even share with you ladies all of the items that I picked up from Victoria's Secrets, I want to say that if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I want to say welcome. I upload videos once a week in my channel, and I do makeup tutorials, fashion and style videos, hair product review videos, and home decor videos as well. If you are a returning subscriber and you're watching one of my videos, again, I want to say welcome back. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And once you subscribe to my channel, there's this little bell right next to the subscription button. Just click on that bell and you'll get a notification when I upload new videos on my channel. So ladies, yes, okay, I went to Victoria's Secret, ladies, and I went to their semi-annual sale. So ladies, I am about to share with you what are the items that I picked up. Now I know you're probably saying, okay, Josephine, enough talking, just go ahead and share the items. So let me go ahead and get started. Okay, so for those of you who never shop at Victoria's Secrets, this is the perfect time. Okay, if you never ever shopped at Victoria's Secrets and you want to give Victoria's Secrets, can't speak today ladies, if you want to give Victoria's Secrets a try, this is the perfect time because they have their sale. They usually have their sale twice a year. I would say in late June, the beginning of July, and then also late December, beginning of January. So that's the time that they usually have their semi-annual sale. And during that time, half of the stuff that is in the store is like probably 40 to 70% off, I'm thinking. So definitely go to their website. They also have some things on sale on their website as well. So definitely check out their website and go to the store. I actually shopped at the website and I actually went to the store, so some of the stuff I had to wait for all of it to get in before I started doing this video. So I wanted to wait for everything to get in so I can share with you ladies the goodies that I picked up at Victoria's Secrets. So let me go ahead and get started. I know that you're probably saying, okay, Josephine, get started. Okay, so the first items that I'm going to share with you ladies are fragrance mist. And if you have never tried any of Victoria's Secret's fragrance mists, definitely give them a try. I have a ton of them. And let me go ahead and share with you the first two that I got from the semi-annual sale. And then the last one I'm going to share with you ladies, which is the last fragrance mist, is actually part of their regular items, is not on sale. So okay, so this one I actually started using, and I actually have this. I have more of these upstairs, and this is called Neon Palms, and this is Orchid Sky Coconut Chill Float Away. That's what it says in the back right here. Okay, and this smells like spring and summer. Ladies, it smells amazing, 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 amazing. I got the corresponding lotion and the fragrance mist, each of them for $4. Okay, Now the next one, I also got the lotion. I didn't bring down the lotion here with me, but this one is called Peony Crush. And it says Exotic Flower, Violet Petals, Wild Kiss in the back. And this one also have like a spring summer scent as well. Really sweet smelling. It smells amazing. The next one, now this one is the one that was not part of the semi-annual sale. Smells good. Okay, this one is called Velvet Petals, and this one says Lush Bloom Almond Glaze Made You Blush. That's what it says in the back. And oh my goodness, this smells amazing. This has a sophisticated, I would say sophisticated summer scent. Now, of course, all of these you can wear all throughout the year, ladies. I mean, I wear them all throughout the year. I wear them spring, summer, winter, fall, so they're just amazing. Now, the next item that I picked up from the sale, and this is one I got from the store. The fragrance mist, some I picked up in the store, some I got online, okay? So, this one right here is a wallet, and it has floral designs on it, and it says Victoria's Secrets right here. And this is the back. Now I'm not gonna open it all the way because I have my, I already filled it up with my cards and everything, but it folds out. I could fold it out this way so you can see how big it is, and you see all of the floral design. I mean, it is absolutely amazing. And you can carry it like this, so if you don't have a handbag, you can definitely carry it like this. And this is a really, really wonderful wallet. I got this for $14. Okay, so moving along, I got the corresponding book bag to go with this. And this book bag cost me about $30. And here it is right here. Has the chain, really, really pretty. It got the zips right here, and it says Victoria's Secrets right here. And then here is the back. Here's the chain. And this book bag is really, really good for those of you who, you know, probably go shopping and you don't want to carry, you know, like a handbag, and you want your hands to be free. This is perfect. Now, the next item that I picked up was a bra, and this is one I ordered online, and I think they still have this available, and it's a long line bra. It's in the color coconut. Now, the original price of this, I don't think I have the tag. No, I don't have the tag on here. Well, I would say probably this is probably about $70 at Victoria's Secrets. I got this for $14, I think. Either $14 or $16 online, which is a really, really good deal. I do have a black one. Not the exact same style, but a different style that I picked up a few years ago. And I really needed like an ivory white light color one that I can put with anything that's sheer underneath, or anything like anything that's sheer to put over it, or anything that's light color to put over it, so I can be sexy but elegant, modest, and chic at the same time. So yeah, so here it is right here. Okay, so the next item that I picked up, ladies, from the semi-annual sale is this tote. Let me zip it up. I already have some stuff in this tote already. Here it is right here. So this is kind of like a weekend tote, but it's one of those totes that you can use it for anything. It also has some straps that you can carry, and it also has a handle. And I got this for $30. Now I do not know if they have this one online. I got this one in store. And the last two items that I'm gonna go ahead and share with you ladies are makeup bags that I picked up from Victoria's Secrets, of course. So here's the first one. Okay, and the backs look like this, and this cost me, I would say, maybe like $10, which is not that bad. And then here's the second one. And I might use this, well, I use this to carry my makeup, and I also use this to carry my makeup as well, and my sunglasses when I'm not using my sunglass case. So ladies, that is it for my fashion and style Victoria's Secrets spring summer semi-annual sale haul video. And I want to say that first of all, I apologize for the lighting situation that's going on right now. It's because I was trying to find the perfect place for lighting, and plus it's kind of raining outside a little bit. But I am going to be posting more makeup tutorials, more fashion style videos, more hair product review videos, more home decor videos as well. And I am going to be sharing with you ladies also my Instagram account. I do have an Instagram account where you could follow me. I have two of them, and you can definitely follow me on there. One of them is for kind of like, you know, home decor and, you know, different things that are pertaining to this channel, like fashion, beauty, home decor, everything else. And one of them, the other one, is strictly like fashion, makeup, and beauty. So the both of them are fashion, beauty, and makeup, but one has a little bit more home decor stuff, and then the other one is strictly fashion, makeup, and beauty. So you could definitely follow me on Instagram. So yes, I am on Instagram. I have two accounts, and I'm going to go ahead and leave the link down below in the description box. And also, I am going to be posting more videos of the other Victoria's Secrets videos that I've done in the past. The links are going to be down in the description box. Again, ladies, thank you for watching this fashion and style Victoria's Secrets spring summer semi-annual sale haul video. And I will be posting more makeup tutorials, more fashion style videos, more hair product review videos, more home decor videos as well. Bye-bye and God bless.